Hello everyone, welcome to LBS. Today we are going to continue the chapter number 2, exercise 2.2, in which the first question is that question number 1, which of the drawing A to D show? See, first question is that these are the questions and we have to match with these figures. Now first, 2 into 1 upon 5. So you can see here, these are two figures and in which 5 parts and one is shading. So this is the answer for first. Next, 2 into 1 upon 2. Then you can see that its answer is D. Now here two parts are given in which one is shaded. Therefore, for 2 answer is B. This is 3 into 2 upon 3. So there are 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, in which 2 parts are shaded and 3 figures. Therefore, answer for 3 is A. And for the last one, the answer is C. That is the answer. We have to just match it. In the second number question, see, some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them show. Just like the question as above. First question is that 3 into 1 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5. So we have to given 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in which one part is shaded. Therefore, first answer is A. This is matched with C. Now 2. So 2 into 1 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3. Where is the 2 figures are given? This is 2 figures and its answer is 2 upon 3. For this answer is C, and for this answer is A. Similarly, for the last one, 3 into 3 upon 4 is equal to 2 into 1 upon 4. For this answer is B. So come at the next questions. Question number 3. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert it into a mixed fraction. So first question is that 7 into 3 upon 5. Multiply this with the numerator part. This is 7 3 are 21 upon 5. When we convert it into fraction, we will write it as 4 integer 1 upon 5. How can we write this? For the first one, when we divide 21 upon by 5 like that, then 5 4s are 20. It will be divided into 4 times. Then we get 20 and the remainder is 1. Therefore, we can write it 21 upon 5 is equal to 4 integer 1 upon 5. What is 4 here? This is quotient. So we can write it as integer. What is 1? It is remainder. We will write remainder on numerator, and this is divisor at the denominator, so we can write it at the lower part. All these values are same for question number 2. This is 5 upon 2 into 6. We can write it 5 6 are 30 upon 2, and the answer is 15. Now third one, 4 into 1 upon 3. You can write this in this form also. This becomes 4 1s are 4 upon 3, and this is its mixed fraction is 1 integer 1 upon 3. Next, 11 into 4 upon 7. This is 11 4s are 44 upon 7 is equal to 6 integer 2 upon 7. Similarly, fifth one, 20 into 4 upon 5. 24 becomes 80 upon 5. If you divide 80 by 5, we get 16. So these are the some questions. And question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 5 questions for you, for your practice. Now come at the next question, 5 number. Find A, 1 upon 2 of first 24 and second 46. Now we take first number, 1 by 2 of 24. So we remove off and use this multiplication sign. जब इस तरह आपको राइट किया हो तो हम ऑफ को रिमूव करके मल्टीप्लाई साइन यूज करते हैं. This becomes 1 by 2 into 24. 24 is divided in 12 times by 2. Therefore, answer is 12. Second, 1 by 2 of 46. is equal to 1 by 2 into 46 is equal to 23. Similarly, in the B number, 2 upon 3 of 18 and 27, in which first 2 upon 3 of 18 is equal to 2 upon 3 into 18. This will be cancelled by 3 in 6 times. Therefore, the answer is 2 into 6 is equal to 12. Second, 2 upon 3 of 27 is equal to 2 upon 3 into 27. This will be cancelled by 3 in 9 times. Therefore, 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Now, question number C and question number D for you as a homework. Come at the next, multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So this is first 3 into 5 integer 1 over 5. Convert it into simple fraction. 5 5s are 25 and 1 26. 26 upon 5. That becomes 3 into 26 upon 5. Multiply 3 into 26. It becomes 78 upon 5. So convert it into mixed fraction. 15 integer 3 upon 5. It is just like the question number 3. B, 5 into 6 integer 3 upon 4. Therefore, its a simple fraction is 27 upon 4. So we can write 5 into 27 upon 4 is equal to 135 upon 4. Its mixed fraction is 33 integer 3 upon 4. Similarly, in the C, 3 integer 2 upon 5 into 8 is equal to 17 upon 5 into 8. Its multiplication is 136 upon 5. And we convert it into mixed fraction like 27 integer 1 upon 5. Now this question for you as homework. Find A, 1 by 2 of first 2 integer 3 upon 4 and second 4 integer 2 upon 9. This question is same as the question number 5, but there is a difference. There is a mixed fraction and there was a simple number, complete number. Now 1 by 2 of 2 integer 3 upon 4. I just told you that if we remove off, then we have to use multiplication sign here. Therefore, it becomes 1 by 2 into 2 integer 3 upon 4 is equal to 1 by 2 into 11 upon 4. हमने इसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में से सिंपल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट किया और मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. 11 1 जा 11 एंड 2 4 जा 8. ऊपर वाले नंबर्स को हम ऊपर वाले से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, नीचे वाले को नीचे से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. सेकेंड, 1 by 2 ऑफ 4 इंटीजर 2 upon 9 is equal to 1 by 2 into 4 integer 2 upon 9 is equal to 1 by 2 into 38 upon 9. It's a simple fraction. We divide 38 by 2 in 19 times. The answer is 19 upon 9. Second question B for you as for your practice. See, next question. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 upon 5 of water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink and what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink? तो विद्या और प्रताप एक पिकनिक पर गए हैं. उनकी मम्मी ने उधर पीने के लिए वाटर में 5 लीटर वाटर दिया है. अब विद्या ने उसमें से 2.5 पार्ट वाटर कंज्यूम कर लिया और बाकी का प्रताप ने पिया. तो हमको फाइंड ये करना है कि कितना लीटर वाटर विद्या ने पिया और कितना पार्ट प्रताप ने ड्रिंक किया. सो टोटल वाटर शुड was 5 liter. विद्या कंज्यूम 2.5 पार्ट. सो विद्या ने कितना वाटर ड्रिंक किया? विद्या ड्रिंक 2/5 पार्ट ऑफ 5. सो वी कैन राइट इट 2/5 into 5. आप यहाँ पर ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन यूज कर सकते हो या फिर ओनली ब्रैकेट में 5 राइट कर सकते हो. 5 शुड विल बी कैंसल हियर. सो द आंसर इज 2 liter. Now what about the Pratap? Pratap drank, there is 1 minus 2 part of 5, means 1 minus 2.5, it becomes 5 and 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2.5 is equal to 3/5 part. See here, question number 4. Shade 1/2 of the circles in the box A, 2/3 of the triangle in box B, and 3/5 of the square in box. See here 4 rows are given. The 2 rows will be one part. So circle it. हाफ पार्ट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में ए नंबर फिगर में क्या करना था, हमको हाफ सर्कल पर डार्क करना था. सो हमने शेडिंग कर दिया हाफ पर. इतने 2 लाइन्स बाकी रह गया, 2 को शेडिंग किया है. अब सेकेंड वाले में क्या करना है, 2/3 ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इन द बॉक्स. 3 लाइन्स दे के रखी है, उसमें से कितनी लाइन्स हमको कलर करनी है, 2 लाइन्स. therefore इट इज़ and in the last one 3/5 of the square in the box. तो 5 स्क्वायर बॉक्सेस दे के रखे हैं, 1 2 3 4 5 लाइन से. इस तरह से कर सकते हो. सो हमको इस तरह से कलर कर देना, उसमें से 3 कलर्स को. फर्स्ट लाइन, सेकेंड लाइन, and this is third line. This was your question number 5 and the exercise is complete here. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep revising.